Ya kwanza, mimi ningependa kusema ya kwamba that the youths of this country are the biggest asset. Na mimi watu wangu wa Nyeri ningependa kuambia kwamba we have the numbers, we have the voice, and we have the ability to change this nation. Agenda number 2, mimi ningependa kusema ya kwamba it is our time to lead. Even softwares have updates. Na leo hii, I want to state very clearly that I am not a politician. I do not aspire to be a politician. I have never dreamt to be a politician. But leo hii, I am going to vie for member of parliament. Not because I want, not because of my dad, but because of the kind of leadership that this country has offered. Tell me why we have a president who kills his own sons and daughters. Tell me why we have a president who abducts his own sons and daughters. Tell me why we have a president who suppresses his own sons and daughters. Niseme nisiseme? Nitoboe nisitoboe? And therefore, I want to address the president of this country. It is not about one term, it is not about two term. Mimi nataka kuambia president, kindly have mercy on us. Ama namna gani? Na nikimalizia, mimi nimesikia hapa mzee, nimesikia mzee akisema maneno mengine hapo na haijanifurahisha, na for the first time naomba nikuadvise kidogo. Nimejaa ngori. Nimesikia mzee akisema ati viti tu za MCA ndo vijana wanaweza endea. Inawezekana kweni? We are the leaders of tomorrow, and therefore we are going to vie from president, governor, senator. Hizo viti ndogo dogo si hatutaki. And therefore, yes. And therefore, finally, I am a solid Christian. Na ningependa kuacha na a word that says there is hope for a tree that has been cut down, that it will sprout again. And therefore, there is hope for a better Kenya tomorrow. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki.